Kupea career path of a certain player, you tell me the name of the player. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, he started at West Ham
West
United.
United.
Yeah? Akatoka West Ham akaenda loan Swansea City. Akatoka Swansea City akaingia Chelsea.
Chelsea.
From Chelsea akaingia Man City. From Man City akaenda New York City FC. From ama nisikwambie hiyo.
Sema tu.
Okay, niambie player. Sikwambii ni wa which international team. But asha retire.
Oh, ni retired. Retired West Ham, Swansea.
West Ham, Swansea, Chelsea, Man City, New York City FC.
Ai niambie country.
Country, England.
England retired.
Yeah. Anikupi nchi nyingine? Ashaikuwa coach Chelsea.
Lampard.
Okay, Lampard.